In this video, I will show you how to set up your Skyworth Google TV for the first time. So if you recently purchased a Skyworth TV and you want to learn how to set it up for the first time as a beginner, this video should guide you on how to properly set it up to get the best out of your Skyworth Google TV. Now, first things first, you want to go ahead and press on the voice command button on your remote control, which is basically this button over here. Just go ahead and long press on it, and automatically your remote control should connect to the TV. Now the next step you want to take is to go ahead and select your language. In my case, I'll go ahead and select the English UK over here. Then you also want to select your country, so I'll just scroll down and find my country from the list of countries over here. I am from Nigeria, so I'll go ahead and select Nigeria. Now you'll be asked whether you want to set up the Google TV or to set up the basic TV. Just go ahead and select set up Google TV. Now go ahead and connect your Skyworth Google TV to your Wi-Fi. You can go ahead and connect it to a Wi-Fi network or your phone hotspot. In my case, I actually have my iPhone 13 Sam, which is basically my hotspot turned on. So make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on and the TV should automatically search and find your Wi-Fi or hotspot. Go ahead and select it just like so, and then go ahead and enter your password in this input field over here. And once you're done, you want to go ahead and click on the done button at the bottom over here. Now the next thing you want to do is to sign into your Google account. So I'll just go ahead and enter my Google account over here. And after entering your Gmail, you want to scroll down and then click on next. Now you just want to proceed to enter your Gmail password as well. And after entering your password, you want to scroll down again and click on the enter button over here. Now a notification will be sent to your phone. So just go ahead and confirm that you're actually the one signing into your Gmail account. And once you confirm it, your Skyworth Google TV will automatically be signed into your Gmail account. Now you want to proceed by clicking on the accept button over here, and then just go ahead and click on accept. Now click on allow so that your Skyworth Google TV would search across apps on the TV, and then click on I agree. Now make sure you turn on personalized results to get the best search results and recommendations for your Skyworth Google TV. And then finally, you want to go ahead and select these pre-installed apps over here before you click on the confirm button over here. Now you can go ahead and read the end user license agreement, but if I have read it already, so I'll just go ahead and click on I agree. Now just go ahead and select default, and then select any password you want for your Skyworth Google TV. In my case over here, I'll just go ahead and select something simple, then enter your password again. Now go ahead and select home mode, and then just go ahead and skip this process except you want to connect like an antenna or a cable to your Skyworth Google TV. And after a while, the Skyworth Google TV should automatically set up the TV for you. Now at this point, you just want to scroll down and select go to Google TV, except you want your Skyworth Google TV to start showing your photos as screensaver on the TV, or you just want to add multiple profiles on the TV, or even create a kids profile that allows you to set up personal kids features on the Skyworth Google TV for your kids. Except any of these, you just want to go ahead and click on the go to Google TV, and now your Skyworth Google TV has been properly set up. So basically, this is how the Skyworth Google TV interface actually looks like. It has the Google TV, and over here you have your apps on the TV. Also, if you scroll over to the top over here onto the app section, you can come here and search and download any app you want to download into the Skyworth Google TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.